Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. I am Swapun and today I am going to share with you a very easy process of scenery drawing. So let's get started. Today's video is specially for those who want to draw some easy scenery without any difficulties. So guys, see, I'm just starting from this house. It's very simple and down to earth technique to draw a house within a few seconds. Is it? Now friends, here we will draw a small path from this little house. See carefully, I'm not using any types of strong lines here, just I draw some grasses to find out the path. Now draw a big trees beside the path. Here also I am going to draw the tree trunk only, not the leaves. I think you are confused about it. That why apply this process? Only grasses, not the path. Only tree trunk, not the leaves. Okay. Wait a minute. Automatically you can identify the reason. So guys, see, we will draw another small house. Due to perspective, we can see the house so small. But follow the proper size. Friends, now draw a little pond following the same way. See, without any single complete line, just some grasses. Now draw the bushes behind the house following the horizon. Here we will draw a banana tree behind the big house. Here also we can draw some birds. And finally draw two ducks in this way. Such a easy and beautiful scenery ever you draw. So guys, our full drawing is completed. And this is not too tough, is it? Yeah, now we will start the color. Here I am using pastel color mainly and pencil color for the detailing. Here we can see the source of the light is the sun. So just following direction of the light and the amount of the shadow. Now friends, listen properly. Here you have to follow light very carefully, that where the light is falling or not. Due to this process, the color is looking so natural. So friends, just see the full video and try it yourself. Now come to the tree. I hope you can understand why I am not using any types of boundary lines for the tree leaves. If I do, then it's not possible to complete the tree in this way. perspective for the road because it both side is totally covered with golden paddy. So see the water. Here we can see the reflection of the tree and grasses. So you have to complete it very carefully. As I explain the full process, I'm sure that it's not so complicated anymore. Finally, our whole painting is completed and it's looking so natural and gorgeous. So I suggest you that definitely try this painting and comment me down about your experience. I'm sure this is very easier process to draw.